Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Knowledge Hub. Let's begin today video. Before starting the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more interesting and knowledgeable videos, and also like, share, and comment on the video. Today's topic is related to hole cleaning and hole cleaning general issues. Hole cleaning. In deviated wells, cuttings and cavings settle to the low side of the hole and form layers called solid beds or cutting beds. The BHA becomes stuck in the solids bed. Cuttings and cavings can also slide down the annulus when the pumps are turned off and pack off the drill string. Avalanching can also occur while the pumps are on. Good hole cleaning means removal of sufficient solids from the wellbore to allow the reasonably unhindered passage of the drill string and the casing. Several main reasons for solids not being cleaned from the wellbore are: 1. Low annular flow rate. 2. Inappropriate mud properties. 3. Inadequate mechanical agitation. 4. Insufficient circulation time. In 40-65 degree wells, cuttings beds will slide down the low side of the hole. This can happen while pumping, not just when the pumps are off. In highly deviated wells of 65 degrees or more, cuttings settle very quickly in spite of high flow rates. This is known as avalanching. Preventive action. Maximize the annular velocity. Consider using a third mud pump. Consider using larger drill pipe. Ensure circulation times are adequate. Consult hole cleaning charts for confirmation. Monitor cuttings returns at shakers. Maximize mechanical agitation of cuttings, beds, rotation and reciprocation. Optimize mud properties. Increase YP in near vertical wells. Backream while poo. Rig site indicators. 1. Over pulls increasing, while poo from TD, in a deviated hole, 710 stands. 2. Erratic pump pressure. 3. Poor pump pressure. 4. Difficult orienting tool face. 5. Absence or reduction of returns at shakers. 6. Presence of ray ground cutting LGC. 7. Over pull inside casing. Freeing. See initial response. Hole cleaning general issues. Monitoring cuttings returns at the shakers. Monitoring cuttings returns at the shakers. The practice of monitoring the volume rate of cuttings and cavings being circulated out of the hole at the shakers has proven a worthwhile exercise in different areas of the world. In Vietnam, this practice is maintained to monitor hole cleaning efficiency, in which farm in the UK, hole cleaning is being monitored in an attempt to eliminate related torque problems in aired extended reach wells. In Colombia, the volume rate of cuttings and cavings is monitored for several reasons. 1. To establish hole cleaning efficiency. 2. As a warning tool when the wellbore is loaded and a potential pack-off situation is occurring. 3. To gain better understanding of wellbore behavior. For example, failure cycles, caliper removed volume relationship. 4. In addition, it gives a very clear indication that the hole is being cleaned up after a pack-off has occurred and the string has been freed. It is recommended that rigs should now have a procedure in place for monitoring solids volume rate. The mud loggers should be regularly monitoring the volume rate of cuttings and cavings. This information should be passed on to both the rig floor and the drilling supervisors, company and tool pusher. The current method used in a number of locations is to measure every hour the time taken to fill a 5-gallon bucket with solids coming over the shakers. After freeing the string, once the pack-off material has been circulated out of the hole, the solids rate at the shakers will often increase by 150%. For a particular operation and hole size, normal trends for the volumetric flow rate can be established by regular observation. The 5-gallon bucket method and used as a hole problem warning trend. It is a theory that most pack-offs occur immediately after a connection, while back reaming, however, the majority do occur within the first single after a connection. It is obviously important that the BHA should be circulated clear prior to stopping the pumps. The possibility of developing a more accurate and automated measuring system has been investigated, possibly using load cells or monitoring shaker current.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get more knowledgeable videos. If you have any questions, comment below the comment box.